Hey everyone, this is my 2021 Northstar Northwind Solo in the Starlight layup with the aluminum trim package on it. I love this boat. I love everything about this boat. In my personal opinion, pretty much is the best do-it-all canoe currently available on the market. The only thing I don't like about it is the aluminum trim. When I got it, I thought I could learn to love it. Unfortunately, I don't. So today I'm taking it out to see Dave Curtis at Hemlock Canoe Works in the Western Finger Lakes of New York. Dave's gonna make an attempt to look at it and see if he can pull all the gunnels, the thwarts, and everything, and replace it with wood trim, and even add a brand new seat into it as well. Because quite honestly, I don't find the seat comfortable. Well, here she is, my Northwind Solo. All the aluminum trim removed, slotted gunnels installed, walnut decks, and a brand new seat, which I find extremely comfortable. Love how this turned out.